Welcome to the NMC News. This is Reshma with the top story of the day. Focusing on the major breakthrough in the West Asia crisis, 2-week ceasefire reached. US President Donald Trump has announced a tentative 14-day ceasefire with Iran, pulling back from threats of large-scale strikes just hours before a critical deadline. As part of the diplomatic agreement mediated by Pakistan, Iran has agreed to reopen the Strait of Hormuz, easing the global maritime blockade that has crippled energy markets. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu confirmed that while Israel supports the US-led ceasefire with Iran, military operations against Hezbollah in Lebanon will continue unabated. The Kremlin issued a statement welcoming the truce, expressing hope that the US will now pivot back to peace negotiations regarding the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. It's time for a short break. We will be right back with more updates. Welcome back. Prime Minister Modi hailed a defining step as a Kalpakam fast breeder reactor attained, critically marking a major milestone in India's three-stage nuclear power program. NASA Artemis crew currently orbiting the moon has transmitted historic high-definition footage of an Earthsat showing the planet sleeping behind the lunar horizon. Following the news of the Iranian ceasefire and the reopening of trade routes, global Brent crude prices have plummeted below $100 per barrel after weeks of extreme volatility. Avecta Therapeutics hosted in 2026 Science Day revealing successful trial data for a new tumor-specific drug delivery system designed to kill cancer cells while sparing health issues. Time for another short break. Welcome back. Focusing on domestic updates and competitive achievements. Tensions has escalated in Manipur following a tragic incident where protesters were killed during a security confrontations leading to fresh calls for peace dialogues in the region. Indian government-owned oil refineries have deferred or scheduled maintenance to ensure a steady supply of fuel across the country, mitigating the impact of recent global disruptions. At the halfway stage of the 2026 candidates tournament, Vaishali has emerged as India's strongest contender, keeping the nation's hopes alive for a world title challenge. Indian wrestler Lalit secured a landmark victory today by defeating a top-ranked Chinese opponent, a win dedicated to his late mother that has captured the hearts of sports fans nationwide. That's all in this news bulletin. Stay tuned to NMC News for more updates.